Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can get pre-qualified for this Amazon Prime Visa signature credit card. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you content for wherever you are in your credit journey, how to improve your credit score. So if you are interested in that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have questions, if you also are a person that have a ton of inquiries, hard inquiries, the reason why we bring you pre-qualifications or pre-approvals, if you don't know, no matter how good your credit score is. I had a client with a 740 credit score, had 11 hard inquiries, could not get approved for credit because too many hard inquiries will get you denied. We have a free hard inquiry removal downloaded package you can get at our website. So I will leave the link in that description. And if you have any private questions for me, make sure you go to my website and send me your question and it go directly to your cell phone. Make sure you be careful in the comment section because there is someone using my picture, sending you an email address or WhatsApp. You already know that is not me. Make sure you click on the photo and see if the subscribers match what's on to the channel. So let's get into this. Now you can get approved for this credit card, but you have to be an Amazon Prime member because it is the Amazon Prime Visa signature credit card. But if you are a Prime member, you can go through the steps to get pre-qualified. Now, if you are already logged in to your Prime account, I use my Prime account all the time. You can't even Google it. Google the Visa Signature Prime credit card, and you will see the link that comes up in the search engine. And if you are logged in already, it will take you to the direct screen in order for you to pre-qualify. But if you are not sure, you can just go into your Prime account and do a little what we call the shopping cart trick. If you don't know, putting some merchandise in your shopping cart and proceed to checkout, and you would get this prompt. Um, this is very effective because if you are a person who is have a credit score under 700 and you've been following my information, you know being qualified and adding unsecured lines of credit will increase your score on average about 49 points if you're under a 700 credit score. Now, anybody over a 700 credit score, you would not employ that trick because it can have an opposite effect. You would have to have um, other strategies to employ to have your credit score to go up. But I do have a webinar at my website if you're looking for other ways to increase your credit score. If your score is under 700 or if it's above, to improve your credit score. But this primarily, if you have a credit score under 700, adding unsecured lines of credit and using a pre-qualification will minimize your hard inquiries. So understand, pre-qualification does not mean you're guaranteed the card. What it means that you fit in the category of what the company is looking for before you get denied. They can give you a thumbs up and tell you you look like the profile we're looking for. If you don't get the thumbs up, if you get the thumbs down, you know not to apply for it at all. So this is why I bring you videos with a lot of pre-approvals so it can help you search for credit card accounts or companies that's looking for your credit profile. So what you want to do, you have an account, a Prime account, put something in the shopping cart, and then you're going to go to proceed to checkout. You will have that to pop out. The next step, what you will want to do, You're going to go to the next screen and it'll have your information. I whited mine out, but it'll tell you where you're shipping to. And you'll notice here, right where it says place your order at the top, you're going to look down here and you should see where you can get $150 gift card. And what it's saying, upon approval for the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. So you will want to make sure you click on this area here for that card. And I'm going to show you elongated screen. This is, if you come down, you'll have your billing address and you'll scroll down and you want to make sure you click here and you'll see the information for the delivery date for the product that you put in your shopping cart. You're not going to have to buy anything in order to do this, to go to the pre-qualification screen. So you just want to put something there in order for you to get it. Okay. Then the next screen, once you click on that card, you will get this screen here. And it's telling you no annual fees for this Prime Visa Signature Rewards card. Also, it's letting you know you get a $150 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval. You do not want to apply now. You want to go here. Or so there's always somebody that's not going to follow the directions. So let's be clear. Do not apply, okay? Because that will strictly have you to apply for the card. You want to go here. You want to go to see if you're pre-qualified. And you're going to click check now, okay? Do not apply for the card. You want to pre-qualify first. And this is some of the features of the card. This card, number one, you want to know, it gives you 5% cash back. And so also you'll get 5% cash back, not only at Amazon, but at Whole Foods Market. You'll get 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores for cash back, and 1% on utilities and ride shares and other purchases. So this is not a bad credit card. It has no annual fees, but it does have an APR of 14.24% to 22.24%, which is it's not the lowest interest rate, but it's not the worst, especially if you're looking for a card to help increase your credit score. It will have no annual fees. So that is the positive part of that card. There's also no transaction fees with this credit card. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind, you must be a Prime member in order to qualify for this card. Now, when you go ahead and click the check now, you're going to come to this next screen and it's going to say, see if you're pre-qualified. So it's going to have your information as a Prime member. This is going to be your address here. And they're going to ask you for the last 4 digits of your social security number. And you're going to have to click this box here. So in order for it to go through, then when you scroll down, you're going to see here, see if you pre-qualify, and you'll get instant results in 15 seconds. Now, here's just some details to keep in mind. This card is being issued by the bank is going to be Chase Bank. So if you're not familiar with Chase, understand Chase do have a 524 rule. What is a 524 rule? Chase rule is they don't want 5 new accounts on your credit. No 5 new accounts within 24 months or 2 years. So you want to make sure that you haven't had 5 new accounts in 2 years or 24 months. So they do have a 524 rule. Also, they pull from Experian. So no, before you apply for this, make sure you check your Experian credit score. They're also going to use a FICO 8 credit score model. So if you're not familiar, there's different scoring models of FICO, FICO 8, FICO 9, FICO 2, FICO 4. If you want more information on that, you can do your research, or I talk about that in my course that I have where you can get more details and understand how to use those different scoring models to your advantage, depending on what your score standings are. Also, you want to make sure for this card, they're looking at Chase a 670 credit score or higher. So keep that in mind, 670, and you want to look at your Experian score. Also, Chase is going to take into consideration when they're reviewing this your income versus your debt. So they're going to ask you for your income. So you want to make sure that the debt that's reporting on your credit report or your credit profile, that it balances out really well. Okay. So you don't want to have, a debt of $30,000, but you only make $15,000 a year. Your debt to income is not matching up. So you want to keep that in mind. But if you fit into those requirements, you can go ahead, even if you don't see if you pre-qualify, it's not going to cost you anything. And as long as you do the pre-qualification first, you should be able to see if you fit in the category of a credit profile they're willing to work with. Now, if your credit score is below that 640 or in between 640, 670, keep in mind Amazon do have a store card that is offered by Synchrony Bank, and that will be maybe more helpful if you have a lower credit score to have an easier entrance way for that versus the Chase. But the one thing about the store card, they don't have a pre-qualification option like you have here with the Amazon Prime Visa credit card. Okay, so hopefully this information is helpful. If you have any questions, general questions, just leave in the comment sections your questions if it's general. But if you need to contact me, make sure you go to my website and submit your questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, enjoy your day. See you on the next one.